Is everybody in? Hey everybody, welcome to another Bergfeld Rocket Labs rocket launch. We are in a new place. That's right, we are in a pit in an undisclosed location. Instead of worrying about going into the pit, we're already into the pit.
Yes.
It's not the same pit though.
It's a different pit.
Importantly, because that pit doesn't allow trespassing. And this pit
is trespass friendly.
Well, they just don't disclose. So, we're gonna try it out here today, see how it goes. As you can see, it's very gravel pitty. It's got a lot of piles of gravel and lots of elements of pitness. So we'll see how this works. Today we are also trying out a new launch lug design, because the launch lug design from last time we had to abandon, but we'll talk about that when we do our first rocket. All right, here we go.
First off, we have the Micro B, or Microbe. It is a B engine, hoping to go 450 feet. It's wonderful black, yellow, and red, very sporty, and it will be our maiden rocket for this launch site, which is very exciting.
All right, let's do it.
3, 2, 1. I can't even look at it, I'll go blind.
Beautiful.
Oh, uh-oh.
And it's coming down fast.
That's
Oof.
That was go.
Sadly, it did not deploy appropriately. I must have had the nose cone screwed down too tight.
I suppose.
Based on the performance of that rocket, of course, we've made some adjustments to the launch pad. Casper, which one is the next one?
This is Windsock.
Oh yeah.
Windsock has a C6 engine, so it's pretty small compared to the other rockets today, and it should go about 950 feet. There's a very similar purpose to the previous rocket, which is just testing the waters.
Is that why it's called Windsock?
Correct.
It is, Max.
Because it's literally a windsock.
3, 2, 1.
Outstanding.
Nice.
Is it gonna deploy? Yeah, there it goes.
It has deployed.
And now we see what happens. Ooh, he is on the way.
I've lost it.
He's moving fast. I lost it too.
Can anybody see it?
No, I lost it. I had it, but he's...
It's up there somewhere.
He's on his... There he goes. He's way over there.
Where?
Over by the dump truck.
Oh yeah, there it is. Well, we can definitely get it back.
That one went really far though.
Yeah. All right, so we've made some more adjustments to the launch pad, and we're now gonna try what's next.
The Hornet.
Oh.
C motor, 925 feet expected. Looks very sporty.
Very sporty indeed. Let's see if our adjustments to the launch pad change anything at all.
3, 2.
So obviously we had a little trouble with Hornet. The launch pad failure resulted in the breakage of Hornet, so we're moving on to the next one. Casper?
So here we have Sawfly. Hopefully it will not be a victim to our self-adjusting launch pad. Sawfly is a C12, and it should go about 650 feet. It's shorter and squatter than the other rockets, so we'll see what happens. 3, 2, 1.
Really nice. It has deployed, but I don't think it's worked right.
That went pretty far away.
What happened? The wind stopped. But it blew up, like I don't hear it. It disappeared in the sky.
Next up is Andromeda. Got a D20, hoping to go 900 feet. I like this one.
It's very simple, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just a rocket. It's
And
great.
while we've got that, we made some changes to our launch lug. And so we're gonna look here. Remember we tried our removable launch lugs, but That worked okay, but it caused a lot of bindings in the rail. So I've gone with a non-removable launch lug that's very low profile and integrated with a tube. So far it's been going up okay, just things have not been coming down in the way that we would like. Let's put this one on and see what happens. Go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
All right, we had a dud, so we've gone with a fuse. Go ahead, Casper.
3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Wild. Hey, that went the right way.
It did. And it has deployed.
Whoa, windy, holy shit.
It's really windy up there. There she goes. At least it's tumbling properly. Hey, it's gettable.
That could have been worse, dude.
Could have been a lot worse.
Hello, here we have the Nebula. It is a D20, similar to the other rocket, so hopefully we have a good reliability, unlike the other rocket. We'll see. And it should go about 800 feet.
All right, let's see if we can get this one back.
3, 2, 1.
Woof! That ripped itself apart. And it's right there.
Well, that's, convenient.
Here's the debris field. And that only had a 4-second delay. Maybe that's the reason why it did that. But it looks like it survived.
Now we have the Callisto, a D22, hoping to go 1,000 feet. Nicknamed Egbert, you can guess why.
Yeah.
I am so excited for this one just because of the shape.
Yeah, and this is the first 24 millimeter rocket of the day, so it's got a lot of oomph. Let's check it out.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, dude.
All right, we've had a dud, so we've switched to a fuse. All right, go for it.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
Really nice.
That was great. Wow, it's up there.
Yeah,
Holy
it's coming back.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's a deployment. Unfortunately, it deployed apart. And there goes the nose cone. I think we'll get all of it back.
Yeah, I'm amazed the two pieces are about to land right next to each other, it feels like.
Nice.
That was great.
Cool.
That one went high. This rocket is simply called 7. It has a D22, just like the previous rocket, and should go 1,000 feet in the air.
And we have forgotten to mention the rockets that had survived the last launch.
Yeah, this is a survivor. Right?
That's a survivor, and the rocket we just launched was also a survivor. All right, let's put this one up and see how it goes.
3, 2, 1.
Into the sun.
I got it. Wow.
It's deploying, it's falling.
Yeah, it sure is.
There's a deployment.
That is, god dang, that is far.
The parachute didn't seem to come out.
I see a person.
Yeah, I think it's split in half.
Oh yeah, okay. I have no idea.
There's part 1,
That is so
and there's
far
the
away.
parachute part 2. So yeah, totally have my My cords are still too short.
That's so far away.
Yeah.
How far that is.
Probably can't even see it on camera anymore, but I think that's gonna be.
That's in the woods, right?
Yeah, that's in the trees. Yeah, it's way gone, but at least we'll get most of it back.
Where's the other? This is the Sounding. It's a D22, hoping to go 600 feet. Today has been wild, so I'm hoping this one isn't too dramatic.
Well, the good news is this one survived last week's, so hopefully that means it's
survive.
stable enough. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Oh, I hope that deploys. Uh-oh.
Go. Now. Oof. Oh! I think the delay was too long.
Yeah, I think
Go.
This right here is Kuiper 1.1. This is our first E of the day. It's an E22, and it's projected to go about 1,100 feet.
All right.
And
Whoa.
it survived the last launch, so
It-
there's a chance it survives this launch.
Okay, let's hope.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. It has deployed. Good news. I think it's even deployed properly.
looks like it.
Yeah, it has.
Awesome. Oh no.
Oh, it's good.
Well, some piece just fell out of the sky just now.
Oh, whoops.
I completely lost it.
Oh, I think it burst into two pieces.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Ah, yes.
That might still be in the gravel pit.
Maybe. Now we have Helios, an E35, hoping to go 1,125 feet. It's a big boy. Today's been interesting. I'm so excited to see what it'll do.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I hate that.
Got a dud igniter, and so this is fuse. Go.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, man. Oh, it worked perfectly.
I can't believe it.
It's coming down. Perfect deployment.
That's really good.
Hopefully it doesn't travel too far. And we got it back. Well, the wind's blowing it around.
That looks pretty close.
I think it's gonna,
It's gonna go into the X.
hopefully it doesn't end in the trees. Let's see.
Listen for it.
We'll get it. All right. That was a big one, so it's good we're getting it back.
Here we have the magnificent Helios XL. This is the largest rocket we've ever launched. Hopefully we'll launch it. And it's the first F-powered rocket we've ever launched in Bergfeld Dynamics Rocket Labs. It uses an older composite F motor, so it's probably black powder, so that's
We'll see.
crazy stuff probably.
Yeah, it's kind of a rocket that's been old motor, so hopefully it doesn't explode. Let's give it a try. We're getting quite far away from this one because it is so big and because the engine is kind of old, and we're taking some cover behind some piles of sand. All right, let's count it down.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, dog. Spooky, spooky, spooky.
All right, that was a dud, so we've switched to fuse.
Gentlemen, it's been an honor.
Take it.
3, 2, 1.
Bummer. All right. I'm so freaking sorry about that, but the F is a dud. All right, so we'll try it again next time, and I'll buy a new F motor so we're not using an old one from the granddad bin. All right, well, almost got there. So good news is our launch grip lug worked really good. We had no bindings. We did discover that lots of our higher powered rockets cords were still a bit too short, even though I made them quite long. And so that meant the nose cone separated from the body. And we had some unruly early launches until we got our launch pad set. But anyway, pretty good day. See you next time. Probably be September by the time I see you next time. Have a good day. Say good night, everybody.
Good night.